Okay, Shraddha, this is the same question again, I'm assuming. Yeah, question number 16 here. So let's recap the question. Vector A is 2 centimeters long and 60 degrees above the x-axis in the first quadrant. Vector B is 2 centimeters long, 60 degrees below the x-axis in the fourth quadrant. You have to find the magnitude and the resultant of A plus B, these two vectors, and these are the four options. Alright, so this is the same problem I'd done earlier graphically for you. This time I'm going to do it analytically, and let's see if we arrive at the same solution. So let's first look at vector A. As you can see, it's 60 degrees above the x-axis. I resolve it into its two components, ax and ay. Ax will be given by a cos 60, where a is the magnitude, which you know is 2. So ax is 2 times cos of 60, which is 2 into 1 by 2 equals 1. Ay, which is the y component, is a sine 60, which is 2 times root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3. Therefore, you can write vector A as I plus root 3j. Okay. Let's do the same thing for vector B. Vector B points 60 degrees below the x-axis. Yeah, as you can see here. Again, we resolve it into its x component bx and by, which is the y component. Bx is going to be given by b cos 60 again. Look at this right angle triangle. Yeah, this is b, this is 60, so this is b cos 60, which is 2 into 1 by 2, that equals 1. By is equal to b sine 60, which is again 2 into root 3 by 2, that's root 3. However, note that by points down, whereas ay points up. Okay, so now let's write the b vector. So b in this case would be given by 1 times I, which is the positive x-axis since bx points in the positive direction, minus root 3, which is the magnitude in the j direction, or which is root 3 times minus j. Yeah, so b is given by I minus root 3j. Now add this vector b and this vector a that we calculated earlier in terms of components. So we just add it up, add up the I components, add up the j components. As you can see, the j components cancel and you're left with 2i. The magnitude of the resulting vector is 2 and its direction is the positive x-axis. So that's one of the options that you've got. Alright, so I think the mistake that you're making is you're not really trying to find the sum of the two vectors. For some reason you're just trying to find let's just go to your graph. Yeah, for some reason you're trying to find this hypotenuse, which you really don't need to, right? That's not the problem. So I think that's where the issue is. Let me know if you have a problem now.